Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mark Loeffler Experience. We have a great show here for you today. I'm in one of my units. It's just been vacated and I'm going to walk you through our pre-renovation, what we go through, what we look for, what we do. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe, smash that notification bell so you get notified every time we put up a great video. And guys, like and comment on the video. You got to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. All right. Well, let's just get right into it. So as you can see, this is you can't see it yet. It's a 2-bedroom unit. We have old kitchen. We have peel and stick floors here. We have ugly lights. We're going to show you the whole place. And we're going to make this beautiful. So I'm going to take you through every step of it. I'll take you through a couple phases of the reconstruction. So, we'll take you through demolition, so what it's going to look like, the plan for it, right? That's what we're going to do right now, and I'll walk you through some of the steps when we go through. If we run into any snags, you guys can live the process with me. So, this is us renovating a 2-bedroom apartment in Hamilton. Rents on this before the renovation were $710 is what we were getting. They've moved out, and after rents, well, I'll let you know what we end up getting. All right, so you guys can see crappy kitchen, melamine. This is all going, right? All of this is going. We're filming in the little Eden area. This wall is gonna go. So we try to open up as much as possible. And just to give that flow in the unit, right? Everybody likes that little bit of open concept. So what we'll do is we'll do the galley style kitchen again with a nice breakfast bar for people to eat at. And so it just gives them more space and more usable space. Every time we do a kitchen, we put a dishwasher in, we put laundry in. So, we really make our units super nice. We change out all the lighting. We fix all the holes in the walls from people putting blinds up. We put our own blinds up. We fix whatever need to be fixed while we do this. These are 1960s, 1970s apartment buildings. They don't have venting. So there's no hood venting. There's no bathroom venting. So when we do these renovations, we come in and we take care of that type of things too, because moisture is a problem. We don't want moisture in our buildings. We want to take it out of our buildings. So while we're doing this, it's easy for us to put a hole in the wall, vent out, and make it nice. So as you can see, it's an ugly sky blue. So this will all get a facelift. Brand new flooring, brand new kitchen, brand new lighting. We're going to touch up the balconies. We're going to take down the multitude of satellite dishes that are out there. We're going to make it nice. All right, so I guess come with me for a bit of a tour. So guys, we're now by the bedrooms, the bathroom area. We got these old bifold doors. So again, we're gonna take out all the doors, brand new flooring, brand new baseboard. We're gonna rip out this bathroom. We'll add some still shots. In all our units, we put laundry in. So if we can put a stackable unit in, we'll put that in here. If we can't put a stackable unit in, we'll put a 2-in-1 in this unit. We try to make it as condo-like as possible. So again, we try to make them great properties that people want to pay above market rent for and never want to leave. That's the goal here. So again, all the lighting is going to get changed. Basically, we're making a brand new unit. All these doors, all the switches will get upgraded. We're basically building a brand new unit. And, I think our budget on this is about $21,000 with everything all told. In the still shots, you'll be able to see it. Like the bathroom just needs to, it's just a total gut. Everything leaves. We bring in all brand new. We put in concrete board. We build it properly. That's the biggest thing is we build it, we bring it up to code, and we make it nice. I'm going to, again, walk you through this process of what that's going to look like. I will bring you in for when I'm out there picking out what's going to go in. I mean, we have pretty standard on what we do. We actually use IKEA kitchens. We use marble countertops. We use vinyl plank flooring. We have a pretty good, we use subway tiles in the bathroom. We have our standard toilets that we use. We have our standard vanities that we use. We have our standard appliances that we use. Upgrade the electrical. Again, we do everything here. But I'll walk you guys all through that. And yeah, thanks guys for tuning in this time, and look forward to taking you through this project as it gets going. See you in the next one.